Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post unscheduled pay runs on Xero. So, first, you may want to head over to Xero.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top corner of your screen, click on Payroll. Then, next is click on Pay Employees. And from here, just click on Add Pay Run. So, of course, select pay period. And from here, we're going to pick unscheduled pay run, of course, and select a payroll calendar. So we're just going to pick our existing payroll and select financial year, current financial year, and of course, select unscheduled pay period. So just pick the date, then proceed by clicking on next. Then next, select the employees to be included. So just click on the circle beside the employee to include them or to add them to the specific pay run. And once everything is good about the employee and all the details are correct, you can proceed by posting the pay run. So just click on post pay run. And once again, click on post pay run. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!